Do you want to know how you can enable the personal results in Google Gemini? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable personal results in Google Gemini. Go ahead and open Gemini, which is on your phone. Tap on your profile, which is on the top right hand side, and click on settings. What you need to do next is click on Google Assistant features in Gemini. You can see personal results is over here. You can get info and suggestions specific to you. So tap on it and you can see that it is currently turned off. Personal results use Assistant to access info from your Google apps and give suggestions specific to you. So, to turn on the personal results and help yourself more using Google Gemini, what you need to do is click on this button. You can also click on headphones, which hears your personal results on your headphones when your phone is locked. You can enable this and then you're good to go. So, let me teach it to you once again. First of all, open Google Gemini, tap on your profile, go to settings and then click Google Assistant features in Gemini. Then tap on personal results and you can turn this button on. If it is blue, then it is on. This was a video on how you can enable the personal results on Google Gemini. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.